Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. In this video I am going to start a new chapter, area of plane figures, that is 9th chapter, and this is part 1 and class 8th. In the previous video students, we have finished the 8th chapter, that is exploring geometrical figures. Today we are going to discuss about area of plane figures. So here we have some formulas. So first here the formula is area of trapezium. See here students, here we are taking one trapezium and now we have to find the area of trapezium. What is this area of trapezium? Nothing but half into distance between two parallel sides into sum of parallel sides. Here first we have to identify the parallel sides. So here the parallel sides are AB and DC. So half into distance between them, nothing but how much distance is in between these two lines into these sum of two sides, nothing but A plus B. So here we are taking half into height into A plus B. This is area of trapezium. Next is area of quadrilateral students. Here we are considering a quadrilateral ABCD like this. What is a quadrilateral? You all know, if all the four sides are not equal, then we say it is a quadrilateral. So here this quadrilateral, we have to divide it in two triangles. This is one triangle and this is one triangle. Now height of two triangles you have to take like this. It is the height of H1, that is triangle ACD, and height of triangle ABC as H2, and this from A to C, it is one diagonal of this quadrilateral D we are taking. Now what is area of quadrilateral is half into diagonal into H1 plus H2, nothing but half into diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD into height H1 of triangle ADC plus height H2 of triangle ABC. This is the area of quadrilateral. Next is area of rhombus students. Here we are taking one rhombus and in that we are drawing the diagonals D1 and D2. Now area of rhombus ABCD is half into D1 into D2, nothing but half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is area of rhombus. Next, open exercise 9.1 students. See the first bit. Divide the given shapes as instructed. Here we have to divide the shapes as instructed below. So in the first one, into three rectangles, we have to divide this shape into three rectangles. So see here, like this you can divide it into three rectangles. Next, in the second one, into three rectangles again. This also we have to divide in three rectangles. See here students, here I have drawn the lines and it is now divided into three rectangles. How means? See here, this is the first rectangle, this is second, and this is third. Like this you have to do as instructed for this three. Into two trapeziums, here you have to divide it into two trapeziums. Next, this into two triangles and a rectangle into three triangles. Think and do it, it is very easy. Next, let us find the second bit. Find the area enclosed by each of the following figures. Here you have to find the area of these figures. So let us find first one. See the figure here. It is a pentagon. Now for this pentagon we have to find the area. So here it is already divided in two parts. One is triangle and the other is square. So here first you have to find the area of square and area of triangle, then you will get the answer. Let us do the solution. See here students, this is the diagram of second bit first one. Like this the diagram is given, and this side is 4 centimeter and this is also 4, nothing but it is a square, and this is triangle. Now here given the total height is 6 centimeter. From this we can take this CD up to CD 4 centimeter and remaining will be 2 centimeter. Now this 2 centimeter is the height of this triangle and 4 centimeter is the side of the square, and here the base of the triangle is also 4 centimeter students, because these two sides are same na. Hence the base of the triangle is 4 centimeter and height of the triangle is 2 centimeter. Side of the square is 4 centimeter. So from figure what we can write? We can write area of pentagon. What is the pentagon given here? A, B, C, D, E. So this area of pentagon is equals to area of triangle ABCD, area of triangle ABC plus area of square ACDE. Nothing but here you have to divide the pentagon into triangle plus square. Now what is the area of triangle? You all know this. It is half into base into height plus area of square is side into side. So here what we have to do means we have to do the substitution students. What is the base of triangle? Here the base of the triangle is this side, which is 4 centimeter. So here we are taking base is 4 into height of the triangle is 2. Here we have found height of the triangle is 2. Hence we are taking 2 plus side of the square is 4. Side of the square is 4 centimeter. So we are taking 4 into 4. Now here in the calculation this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here only 4 is remain. Take 4 here plus side into side, nothing but 4 into 4. It is 4 4s are 16 students. Now 4 plus 16 will be 20 centimeter square. Therefore area of pentagon ABCDE is 20 centimeter square. Like this you have to find in any figure, divide it into simple one, whichever are easy to find for you, then solve. Today's homework is students this first bit, third one, fourth one, fifth one, divide them as instructed, and this second bit, second one and third one, divide this also into simple form and then solve. And this third question, here you have to find the area of quadrilateral when length of diagonal is given 10 centimeter and length of perpendiculars from B and D on ACB 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Here all the measurements are given, diagonals and sides 5 and 6. Find the area of quadrilateral. Today's section is over students. Do your homework and send it in your groups.